Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today we've got our next batch of Friday finishes for you. But also I've got a couple of other things that I wanted to chat to you about first. So, first things first, I have now received my custom pen from Crafty Makes. I am so excited. I've not opened this. I just ran a knife along the edge and then I've just left it. So I'm really excited to see what's inside. I chose the blank and had input into the style and the shape of the pen that I wanted. But yeah, so let's have a look inside. So as I have mentioned a few times, Crafty Makes sell on Etsy. They do handcrafted resin items. So here we go. And they are one of our sponsors for the event that's happening in February. I will put details on the screen of that event and how you can get discounts from them right now on your own custom resin products. So I'm so excited. Oh, I can see my address, so I'm just gonna pop that invoice underneath the box. So here we go. Right, so we've got you could upgrade and get metal tips if you wanted to. I just opted for regular. I have tips, so that's all good. Here is the pen. I am excited. Yeah, so it just says, do you love your order? Please leave us a review. Let's have a look. The shape feels nice. Oh, wow. I am going to bring you in for a close-up on this. That is stunning. Oh my goodness. I have wanted a hybrid pen for as long as I've known they existed. This is gorgeous. Really, really lovely. I cannot remember what wood I chose. I'm just going to have a look. It is chestnut, horse chestnut wood, and then with this green, blue, purple resin. Look at, oh, sorry, I'm just going to find myself staring at this now, looking at the way that the light catches different sections. And yeah, that is the perfect shape. I just move you out a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I really like to grip my pen quite near to the end, and I like having a little bump to hold on to. This is so lovely. Oh my, thank you. So yeah, wow, I'm so pleased with it, and frankly, I mean, such great value for locally produced, handcrafted, just beautifulness. I will, as I said, put all of the links in the description for this video so that you can go over to Crafty Makes and take a look at what they have on offer. The way that it works, they do have some ready to go pens that you can just purchase off the shelf, so to speak. But what I did was I purchased a blank, and then as an add-on had them turn it and chose what shape I wanted. So yeah, oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm very happy with that. And I'm so excited that you're going to be a sponsor for the event. So yes, remember to pop in your code CRAFTYWITCH15, and then you will be able to save yourself some pennies and get yourself your own pen. Either, you know, coming up on the festive season, if you've got somebody wanting an idea for a gift for you, then be a perfect time to be getting in and getting yourself a new pen. And of course, in the run up to our event in February, go grab yourself a nice pen that you can enjoy during the event. So yes, excited. I can't wait to load it up and get going with it. You will certainly see this in many future videos. Just going to move it off to the side. Okay, so next thing, on Wednesday you may have noticed that I didn't put up a whip video because I did my very first live video. It was a lot. I was very nervous, but I think we had fun, and I was so grateful to everybody that popped into the live, and we chatted. We talked about all sorts of things. We talked about mini diamond painting, coasters and horror movies and quizzes and musical theatre. It was a real mishmash, and yeah, I wish that I had had the energy to go on a little bit longer, and maybe, you know, it's just a starting off point. So yeah, an hour was about my limit, but hopefully next Wednesday I will have another go, and we will see if maybe we'll go for 2 hours, maybe only an hour and a half, but we'll see. Do come and join us. It was a lot of fun, and it's only going to get more fun as I get better with using the technology and interacting with everybody on screen. So to celebrate the success of my first live, I wrote down a list of everybody who had commented during the live. So unfortunately, I'm really sorry to anybody that watched on replay. On this occasion, just because it was the first one, I have only included the people that were at the live. That does not mean that I don't love and appreciate everybody that has watched the replay. I really do. Thank you so much. But for everybody that commented during the live, I have written down their names, popped them into the good old Tiny Decisions app, and we are now going to draw a winner who will receive mystery diamond painting. I'll pop a little link up in the eye to me unboxing this. I didn't unbox this one, I unboxed this one, but they're the same. So yeah, this one has already been opened, this one not so. So this is as it arrived to me. They are from Santa Direct. They were sent to me as PR canvases. Yes, this will be going to the winner, so drum roll, and the winner is Dawn. Woohoo! Excellent, well done, Dawn. Dawn McCreary Creates. Please drop me an email or a Facebook private message, or find me online. I'm not hard to find. Get in touch, give me your deets, and I will get this in the post to you. So I just wanted to, you know, formally mark the occasion, say thank you. Yeah, so it's just something little, but hopefully more giveaways, more fun, more prizes to be earned, won in the future. So with all that being said, now we will get on to the Friday finishes. Another 3 mini canvases from the Paint Gem Black Magic selection. Really enjoying them. The static has calmed down a lot, which is good. I was having a little bit of problem with static, but I think that seems to be a common problem with their drills, and it must be to do with temperature and the fact that they're in baggies, but having kit them into pots with little bits of dryer sheet, that's helped a lot. And I'm really pleased with the designs as they're coming together, and yeah, I can't wait to have the full set displayed in front of me at the end of this month. So yeah, moving on from today, I've only got one more week of this October project remaining, so that's 3 more canvases from that set, which you will get to see next Friday, and then also we'll be able to show all of them together. So I'll see you on the other side. Thank you so much for joining me for these Friday finishes. I really enjoy being able to just pop on, have a little chat with you and show off my new things from the week. So thank you again. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Don't forget, leave a like, share with a friend, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty.